This is a videotape inspection of a Tsugami BS-20BII Mark II. This is serial number, I can't read, 562. It has a Fanuc LH1 Tsugami control. We're still cleaning the machine, so headstock side's not cleaned yet. We're going to run the spindles and move the axes so you can hear what it sounds like. This is the B version, so it has 3 fixed back working, 4 live. Go ahead. Parts catcher. That's the main spindle at 500. Go ahead and increase that. The guy bushing is out of it right now. And at 2,000. That's good. The sub spindle. At 1,000 RPMs. And at 2,000 RPMs. I'm gonna work over and try to get the live tools. These are the live tool spindles at 1,000 RPM. And at 2,000. Main tool plate. X. Y. The sub spindle and Y. And Z. And then we'll come back over to the unclean side and the main spindle and see. This machine comes with a Mini Boss 325 magazine bar feed. This concludes our video inspection of this Tsugami BS-20BII Mark II CNC Swiss lathe. These are the live tool spindles at 1,000 RPM. And at 2,000. Main tool plate. X. Y. The sub spindle and Y. And Z. And then we'll come back over to the unclean side and the main spindle and see. This machine comes with a Mini Boss 325 magazine bar feed. This concludes our video inspection of this Tsugami BS-20BII Mark II CNC Swiss lathe.